Your first step is just 3 steps away. I'm going to share with you 3 exercises that I use with my clients to help them achieve their first step. We will level our way up from easiest to hardest, starting with level 1, feet assisted dips. Try starting with these targets. Before progressing to the next level, work your way up to these targets. Level up! Now you're on to level 2, band assisted dip. Here are the targets I want you to start with. And here are the targets I want you to work up to before moving on. Level up! Lastly, level 3, eccentric dips. Start off with these targets and keep building strength until you can reach these targets. Level up! And that's it. Once you have clocked these eccentric dips, your body is ready to attempt your first ever body weight dip. How long is this going to take, you might be thinking? If you pick 1 or 2 of these exercises and train them at an intensity that you find challenging, consistently 2 to 3 times per week, you'll be banging out your first ever body weight dip in no time. Now get out there and go smash your dip exercises, and make sure to drop in the comments below when you achieve your first ever dip. We want to celebrate the shit out of it together with you. I'll catch you guys in the next video.